Alright, today we're gonna do some chicken noodle soup straight out of the stale crackers family recipe. I'm gonna change it up a little bit though and make it a little bit more Cajun. I'm gonna start off with some pork andouille sausage. And I'm adding 1 pound of that andouille sausage. Alright, now that that's all sweated up, I'm gonna add the celery and onion to soak up them juices before I follow the recipe. Oh yeah. That's 1 onion and I don't know how many stalks of celery or sticks. Probably about 5 or 6. Pick up sticks. Give that a nice stir to get all that stuff off the bottom. Soak up all the goodness. Now I'm going to put this almost 4 pound yard trick in there that I got from the farmer's market. Don't forget the carrots, like I almost did. And then some parsley and some of that Cajun 2-step heavily seasoned. Give that a little mix here. Bring that to a boil. Also, don't forget your garlic. That's about 3 cloves. It's been about 40 minutes now, so we're gonna pull that out, set it aside. I added the noodles. I'm gonna cook those for about 10 minutes. Egg noodles. Noodles are done, so we'll do 2 cups of heavy cream. And then a block of freshly grated Parmesan. You want to whisk that in there and cook it for about 10 minutes, stirring, whisking, so it doesn't all clump together. I'm also going to add that andouille sausage back in there. And to give it just a little bit more kick, I'm going to put a little Cajun 2-step. Fire. Not too much though. Alright, now we're going to add this chicken back in. Alright, we made a mess as always, but that stuff looks pretty good. Some of that juice. Alright, and for the taste test. Oh man. Good. Get you some.